This is the Nixon 5130 Chrono in rose gold. If it's 51 millimeters across, hence the name, and the 30 is for 300 meters. It comes with an extra link and instructions. So this thing is pretty heavy. It's got to be like a couple pounds. That's one of the things I really like about it. It feels quality, and it's really big. You open it here with the clasp and then these two little push button. And just look how big it is. That's a nice looking watch. Show you how to use it. So, if you're not familiar with the chronograph, there's a lot of other videos online that can get more in depth, but I'll just give a quick overview. Now, this is waterproof to 300 meters, so these dials have to be unscrewed because that's how it stays waterproof. So when you're going to use it, you have to unscrew them. And you see here the 3 subdials. You've got your second hand on top, 24-hour on the left bottom there, and then this is a minute subdial. You've also got obviously the regular watch face with hours here and minutes here, and this is not your second hand. That's actually the stopwatch. Second hand is the one on top there. I'll show you how to use the stopwatch. You just unscrew this and push it, and now you're timing things. And then when you want to stop, you push it again, and this is your reset. Takes it all the way back. Pretty cool. And as for setting the date and time, again, you have to unscrew this. All 3 of these are waterproof. You just unscrew the crown here and you pop it. There's 2 positions. There's 1 pop and 2. The second pop is for setting the time, the minute and hour hands. The first pop is to set the date. I just had it set so I don't want to mess it up, but it's pretty simple and straightforward. And then when you're done, you just screw them back in. And obviously, chronograph has the bezel that moves here. Which way does it go? I've never actually turned it before. Okay, it goes that way. It's really strong. And if you don't know how to use that, the simplest explanation would be you line it up with wherever the minute hand is currently, and then as the minute hand goes around, that's how you can also time things. Obviously this watch is for diving, but in the band you can see, like most watches, is very adjustable. This one is particularly adjustable because right here you can get a much smaller adjustment. If a link is too big and you're in between sizes, you can adjust that little spot right there and just go like half a link, or not even a half a link. And then when you need to change links, they have arrows on here telling you which way to go so you don't mess it up. Anyway, that's the Nixon 5130. I think it's definitely the biggest watch on the market that I've found. I like really big watches, so this thing looks good. And especially for me, I don't like it when you're wearing long sleeves and it covers up your watch. This never happens with this watch because it's so big. Anyway, the Nixon 5130 rose gold. I was gonna buy the all gold, but this is actually a lot shinier. It looks cool. So I'll leave some links in the description for a few of my favorite color schemes, because there's a bunch of cool ones. They have so many different colors. So I'll link in the description for those. And if you like, comment, subscribe. Thanks, guys.